Hello. In this video, I will give you a quick comparison between Blinkist and Headway. So let's see what exactly is between Blinkist and Headway. Now, if you first look at both of the applications, you will find that the Blinkist contains more than 7,500 books summary from fiction and non-fiction, as well as guide, collection and shortcuts. But in Headway, there are only 1500 plus summaries of non-fiction books. So both of them run on a subscription-based model. So you will have a base and a premium model in both of them. And in both of them, you will find a 7-day free trial. And in the premium subscription, you will find a lot of features in both of the application. Like for example, in Blinkist, you will have unlimited access to the entire library, excluding expert guides and collections. You can read in Kindle, you can sync highlights to every note, personalized recommendations, and many more. And the same goes for Headway as well. Unlimited access to all 1500 plus summaries, visual explainers, challenges and collections, personalized recommendation and save key insights, download titles for offline access, and you will also get unique features like these, as you can see right over here. Now, if you talk about the pricing, the annual cost for Blinkist is $99, is about $100 per year, and if you go for monthly, it's $16 per month. Now, in Headway, it's a little less, as $90, as approximately $90 per year, and $15 per month, as you can see right over here. Now, if we come to the refund policy, in Blinkist, you will find a 14-day refund policy with a money-back guarantee. But in Headway, there is a bit of issue when it comes to refunding. But if you buy from the application, you might be able to do it from Google or Apple support, as you can see right over here. Now, when it comes to language support, Blinkist supports 3 languages, English, German, and Spanish. But in Headway, there is only English and Spanish, as you can see right over here. And in terms of rating, you can already see yourself, which is the highest one over here. So that's the basic comparison between Blinkist and Headway. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.